Right then, Jack, so you've got grade C's in both the paper ones that you've sat for me so far, so let's see if you can maintain that good record. You've missed out the fact here that he has £1 left over, so that should be 14 divided by 5 is, sorry, 14 divided by 10 is what you're looking for there. 25%, 7,500, so it is 75 times 100. You've done 75 times 1,000, and 21 isn't a prime number because 7 3s go into it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 on that page. 330 is right, so is 60. That's good. Cone, octagon, pyramid, wrong. That's the diameter. Radius is just from the middle to the outside. That's not a circumference, it's a tangent. That is correct, it is a chord, but chord is spelt with a H. They won't penalise you for that. So 4, 8 for the page. That's good. 64 is correct. Centimeters squared is correct, but your answer is wrong. Now what have you done there? All you have done there is work out the area of one of those rectangles. So you then have to multiply it by 3 to get the total area. 3, 6, 7 for the page. Again, the whole point of this is it's an estimate. So the estimate you're supposed to be doing before you do the maths. There's no point in doing the rounding after you've done the maths. So the quality of what you're writing is fine. The methods that you're using are fine. And your final answer you have rounded reasonably. But you're making hard work of the maths because you aren't rounding your numbers before you do the maths. That's good. So 4, 6, 8, 9 for the page. That's good. That's wrong. What you have to do here, for 40 kilometers per litre, you have worked with 40 miles per gallon. You've gone the wrong way. For 40 kilometers per litre, you have to take 20, read off 20, and double it. £16, no. 320 lots of 50 pence. Well, that's 320 lots of half pounds, which is £160. Very optimistic thinking what you've done there is going to earn you 4 marks, even if that's right. That's just part of the calculation. Watch how I explain that on the video clip. You've got to work with probability from the table on the other page. Okay, so these are all wrong. Take a look at how I go through that on the video, because the thing that you're missing is the actual fact that those are identical rectangles. So once you can work out the distance from there to there, it's going to be the same as the distance from there to there, and so on. So watch how I've explained that on the video clip. It's not positive, it's going down. So if you have a relationship whereas one value increases, the other one decreases, it's negative. And 3,100 is okay. So 4 marks there. That's not how you factorize. This is work that we're going to be doing this coming week. So 2x to the 4 is correct. That is wrong because when you multiply that out, you have to multiply the x by that as well. You can't multiply by the 3 until you've dealt with that 15. So you have to do 25 take away 15, work that out, then multiply by the 3. So you've done it in the wrong order. 2x equals 13 is right, but we then want x equals. So you want to write that as 13 over 2. So your final line is wrong there. That's totally wrong. Take a look how I explain that on the video clip. That's a big question. You see is worth 7 marks, and you should be able to make more progress than you've done there. It's not 2 out of 12. And it's not 2 out of 12 because there are more than 12 outcomes. If you think that what you've got on one dice, you've got 6 numbers, on the other dice you've got 6 numbers, that means it's going to be up to 36. There's going to be 36 outcomes of rolling those 2 dice. And in order to work out, when you add them together, both of them being a 4, well, you've got 2 there, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and going up here. So you want to find out first of all how many ways there are of getting a 4 on 2 dice. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything in there is going to be bigger than 4. So there are 2 ways. Sorry. 2 2s are 4. So there's a third way there. So there are 3 different ways out of 36. Right, 7 single digit numbers. That's not a single digit number. You have got a median of 6. Your mode is correct. But your range is wrong because that's not a single digit number. So you're going to get 2 out of 4 there. Okay, this doesn't feel like one of your best performances, Jack. Let's have a look. 14, 22, 29, 30. What have we got there? That's a 9, is it? Yeah, okay, start again. 14, 22, 29, 38, 38, 42, 48, 52, 55, 57. So that is a wobbly C. I think that if that was an exam that you sat, that would be a D grade mark. I'm saying that is, what am I saying, 8 marks off a grade C. So as I suspected, not your greatest performance.